Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best vlogging cameras that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Luckily, people looking for a great vlogging camera don't usually have to look far. Whether iPhone or Android, using a smartphone to shoot footage for your vlog is probably the easiest vlogging camera option for most people for recording and live streaming. And unless your phone is ancient, its digital camera's image quality is probably pretty good. What can make even good video bad is a camera shake. A 3-axis stabilizer, also known as a gimbal, will make sure everything you shoot on even a cheap vlogging camera, or any point-and-shoot digital camera, really, look nice and smooth. The DJI Osmo Mobile 2 has great features and optical image stabilization performance for its $97 price. You'll get the same steady videos that DJI's drones are known for from your phone's digital camera. The Osmo's auto-tracking and image stabilization capabilities will keep you and your subjects in the frame automatically whether you shoot horizontally or vertically. Plus, you get direct camera controls as well as programmed shots that make you look like a pro shooter without the effort. At number 4. Logitech C920 Pro or Brio 4K. Whether you're looking to do a quick cut from your computer, want to stream yourself while you game or anything in between, the simplest option for your vlog is a compact camera that doesn't need to move from your computer. Yes, we're speaking about the Noble webcam. True, you won't be able to move around too much, but it's pretty much a plug-and-play experience because you don't need an encoder. Both the C920 Pro and higher-end Brio 4K are great options, but for the money, the C920 is my personal preference. It streams at 720p at 60 fps, the image quality was solid, and its built-in mics give you decent audio. It also comes with a 3-month subscription to XSplit Broadcaster and Gamecaster to do more than simple broadcasts. Or you can use Logitech's included software to control up to 2 webcams for picture-in-picture or switching between the two, and you can do your video recording in landscape or portrait. At number 3. GoPro Hero 8 Black. From its small waterproof design to its incredible image stabilization to its excellent video quality, the Hero 8 Black is one of the most versatile cameras you can get for creating YouTube vlog gold. You can use the GoPro Hero Black as a studio camera, but it's really made to be used on the move. Adding to the argument in its favor are the new mods designed to make the Hero 8 Black even more vlogging friendly. The main media mod is a housing that adds a directional mic as well as a 3.5mm external mic jack for additional mic input, an HDMI output and 2 cold shoes. Display and light mods can then be slotted into the shoes to brighten your shots and let you see yourself when you're in front of the camera. And if you want to live stream, you can do it through GoPro's mobile app. At number 2. Livestream Mevo Plus. Livestream's Mevo Plus camera lets you create the look of a multi-camera shoot with a single small camera. Live streaming can be done by connecting both a mobile device and the camera to the same Wi-Fi network, or you can directly connect by Wi-Fi to the camera and use your phone's LTE mobile broadband signal to stream. The vlogging camera can also record Ultra HD video and 4K video resolution version of your stream to a microSD card. A 16GB card is included. The mobile app is the true star of the show here, though, as it lets you use its high-resolution sensor to create multiple tight and wide shots, and switch between them with a tap on the screen. Or, you can have the software automatically track people and switch between shots. At number 1. Rode VideoMicro. VideoMicro Compact Directional On-Camera Microphone. The VideoMicro is a compact microphone designed to improve the audio quality of your videos. The VideoMicro reduces distracting peripheral sounds and focuses on the audio in front of the camera. Its pickup is more forgiving than other on-camera microphones, providing a more natural sound when recording indoors. The microphone body is made from aluminum, giving it a high level of RF rejection, and is finished in Rode's high-grade ceramic anti-glare black coating. Included with the VideoMicro is a camera shoe mount featuring a Ricot Lyre shock mount. Featuring a suspension structure composed of a rugged thermoplastic, it is far more effective at minimizing unwanted vibrations, handling and cable-borne noise than traditional elastic suspensions. The following cameras unfortunately do not support the VideoMicro or Nikon D7000, Canon T3/1100D, Canon C100, C300, C500, Canon Vixia HFR500, Canon Vixia HFG20, HFG30, Canon XA10, Canon Vixia G10, Canon Legria HFG25. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.